Melanie, and thank you so much for joining my channel today. I have a really exciting new product that I'm gonna try out. Now, I've been seeing this thing all over my freaking Facebook feed, and I was a sucker and I decided to shell out the money for it. This is called the LashLiner system, and what it is a magnetic eyeliner that you put on your eyelids, and then you put these lashes on and they're just supposed to stick like magic. So I'm gonna unbox it and review it for you for the very first time today. So this is how it came in the mail. Ooh, shiny. And this is the LashLiner kit. There's two styles available for the LashLiner system right now. There's what they call Los Angeles, which is a fuller lash, and then this is the Seattle kit, which is more of a half of a lash. And I picked this one because my eyes are so freaking small that I usually have to cut lashes anyway. So I thought that this would be a much better style for me. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So we have the magnetic lashes here, and then here is the actual eyeliner. The eyeliner itself is magnet, so I'm assuming that you can probably use it with any magnetic eyelash system that you have. Now, I have done all my eye makeup except for my eyeliner right now, because this is how I would normally do it. So I'm gonna try this on in front of you and we're gonna see how it works. I'm gonna put my hair up to get my hair out of my face. So I zoomed in a little bit. Oh my goodness, that's kind of blurry, isn't it? Okay, so this is the bottle of the LashLiner system. I don't know, it might be a little bit blurry because I'm zoomed in so close. What it looks like on your skin. Okay, so it's black, which is good because I wear black eyeliner. All right, let's try and apply the eyeliner. Now, I have really hooded eyes, so I have kind of a special technique that I use when I apply eyeliner. I like to do kind of a cat eye look. So this is how I do it, and pardon me, I'm gonna be looking in a mirror right now. What I do is I start my line at the corner and I look straight ahead in the mirror. So I don't know how good that looked. I always do my corners first. Like that. And I'm gonna finish doing my eyeliner like I normally do it. All right, it goes on almost, I'd say it's a little bit dry. Really have much of a scent. Okay, let me get a little more product on. Okay, I got one eye done. Now the instructions say to use an eye makeup primer for best results. I don't have an eye makeup primer. I'm just putting this on like I would my normal eyeliner. Okay, my eyeliner's on. It actually says to use 2 coats of magnetic eyeliner to add magnetism. Okay, so let's let this dry for a minute, and I'm gonna put on one more coat. This bottle is super light, and I really hope there's a lot of product in here because I want this is expensive for me, and I want it to last as long as possible. All right. Eyeliner is on, and I got a little bit up here as I usually do. Now it says to allow to dry for 1 to 2 minutes until the liner is not wet but just a little bit tacky to the touch. All right, so I'm gonna let this dry for a few minutes. All right, so next I'm gonna take off the little lashes from this thing here. And these lashes, these have 2 magnetic strips on them on each corner. There's one here, and there's one here. Ooh, and I have a fly in here. Oh my goodness, why do you have to be in my video? All right, now here's the moment of truth. We're gonna attach the lash to my eye and see if it works. Ready? What? Oh, look at that. Oh my God, are you serious right now? Oh, that looks awesome. Oh my God, are you serious? This is like my first time trying this product. This is my actual reaction, you guys. Oh my God, okay. Now I'm gonna put the other one on. I got my little lash. Here we go. Boop. I'm so excited. Look. Oh, they look nice. Oh my God, they look awesome. Let's move my hair around. Oh, let's see. They're not slipping around. Yeah, look at that. They feel secure. They don't feel super heavy. And at least the nice thing about these lashes are that they don't have to be sandwiched between your lashes, which whenever I do that, they feel like they're dragging my face down, and I always notice them. These actually feel super light and super comfortable. And let's just take them off and see what happens. This is amazing. Oh my God, you guys. Oh, I am in love. I love this. Okay. You know what? Just for shits and giggles, I have another pair of magnetic eyelashes that I bought for like super cheap. They were like, I don't know, less than, I want to say like $3 or something on Amazon. I actually did a video of them. They're like these cheap Chinese knockoff lashes. I'm going to go get them and I'm going to try them with this magnetic eyeliner. I'll be right back. So these are the pair of cheap Chinese magnetic eyelashes that I bought. I want to see how these work with this magnetic eyeliner, if I can ever open this. All right, there we go. So I'm gonna take these off. Dude, they come off like nothing. All right, now these are the traditional magnetic lashes that, you know, they're sandwiched together like that. So far, so good. It works with these too. Look at that. That's awesome. Although these lashes, they're on there. They're on there. Although these lashes are kind of meh. They don't look as nice as these do. Oh, so nice. Pop right on there. According to the instructions, it says when dry, the lashes are not as repositional and you will need to touch up your liner if you take them off and put them back on. All right, well, you've seen me do that now like 10 times and they're still hanging on there pretty good. And it says that you can reuse these lashes for up to 30 times and remove mascara or makeup from the lashes between uses. It says that this little bottle is good for 30 to 50 applications. I really hope so because this thing was really expensive. And remember where I had that applied to my hand? I just washed it off with a little bit of soap and water and it came off. So I assume that you can do the same with your lashes, but I don't want to take them off anytime soon. In fact, I'm gonna wear them around all day and look like a smoking hot babe. I think this is definitely worth it. This product cost me around $50, which for me is a lot of money. You know what? I'm really pleased with this purchase. I mean, it really worked. I'm gonna have months of enjoyment out of using these magnetic eyelashes. So if you're interested in this product, I will put the link up on my video below so you can get it yourself. It is also cruelty-free, vegan, and gluten-free, although I don't know why gluten matters if you're putting on eyelashes. It's also latex-free and paraben-free, so it's free of all these things. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my review of the LashLiner magnetic eyeliner system. And if you'd like to see more unboxing and product reviews and how-tos, please subscribe to my channel. And as always, thank you so much for watching.